Yo,
How you
straight
going?
up, straight up. Look at this shit that they got.
Hey, there's a
Look
English,
at this.
England,
This is the
England girl. There it is. It's that British girl.
Yo, this is the coldest
she got
shit.
booty.
This is the coldest shit that I've seen. The coldest motherfucking vending machine, yo. Bro, look what they got. Yo, look at this
They
shit.
got right guard.
Hey.
Nigga, they got AA batteries.
Man, what
Do
the
they take
fuck,
gold
yo?
chains? Do they take
Yo.
gold chains?
Straight
They
up.
don't take gold chains?
Fuck that,
take
fuck
horse.
that. Yo, this is the coldest shit. This is out in the middle of nowhere. This is
Nigga,
like
show
outside,
them
bro.
the 2 liter
This is
Pepsi.
outside.
They got smart water.
It's crazy.
They got the big
That's-
smart water.
This shit is
They
crazy.
got the big Pepsis. They got
Yo,
the
low
big...
key, we gonna have to like
Dr.
go ham
Pepper.
on this shit.
Huh.
We gotta go
We
ham
about
on
to
this.
buy everything.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Every city better step their game up.
Yeah, step your game up. Step your vending machine
If you ain't
game up.
got
Straight
pure
up.
leaf in your vending
If you ain't
machine,
got this,
you
nigga, I don't know what you
If you don't know where this at, nigga,
You
you ain't
bullshit.
living. You ain't in Arizona.